Now we'll finish off the course with a final project, building a website for a classic cars auction house with some very expensive cars and some cheaper ones. Here's what the website should look like when it's finished. I'll open the source code alongside so we can take a look at that at the same time. It's fairly familiar as it's similar to what we've been doing. We link to a style sheet which I've provided in the CSS folder. Then after the viewport meta tag we have the website title, and this appears again in the body as an H1 spanning the page. Below that we have dummy pagination links, which on the real site would lead to more pages of cars for sale, but here just lead back to the index page. This is done with a nav element named navbar containing an unordered list for the pagination. Below that the cars are enclosed in a div with the ID name gallery. Then we have the list of cars. Each car is in a div with the class name car, containing its image. The images are provided in the images folder, and an alt text which is the same as the car's name. Then in paragraphs with appropriate class names are the car's name and price. There are 10 cars on the page. Then the pagination again, duplicating that at the top. And finally the footer at the bottom, which consists of a footer element containing a horizontal rule, a copyright statement, and the website title again. All the files you need are supplied. To get them, click on the link below the video ending Lesson 11 Start, Zip File, and download and extract the zip file. To get a copy of the expected HTML output on its own, click on the link ending Lesson 11 Expected Output. In the zip file I provided the style sheet and images. I've also provided a data file containing a variable for the site name, an array for the pagination, and the JSON object for the cars. Also provided is the directory structure, containing empty files with the name of the files I want you to create. In the root folder there's an empty file named index.pug. In the templates folder there's an empty file named layout.pug, and in the includes folder there are 2 empty files named pagination.pug and footer.pug. I would like you to put into practice everything I've taught you in the course to write the pug files for the project and compile them to HTML. Use Emmet if you like to speed up typing. The layout file should contain the generic content which every page in the site will contain. Use extends to extend that and use blocks to insert page-specific content for the index page. Use include to avoid repeating code unnecessarily. Use the variable provided for the website title so as to avoid typing that 3 times. Use the JSON object and array provided along with iterations and mix-ins to display the data in an efficiently coded manner. Good luck with that. I'll go through it in the next lesson.